Hey guys and girls, welcome to a short little video of the underside of our van. It was a bit cramped under here. I've not got the van jacked up, but I'm under here on one of those little slidey trolley kind of things. First time it's ever been used. Just having a look about, just to see how bad the rust is underneath this thing. I've not been underneath this yet. It's the first time. Just looking from the wheel arch liners and all that. And it's not 100% horrific. It could be worse. You can see where it starts to go. If you look inside these cavities here, look. There, you see inside that? There you go. See that rust? Nothing much I can really do about that. Bit of a pain in the ass. But from through the holes I can try and what do you call it? Get in there as best as I can and scratch all the old rust off and paint it through the gaps. Not ideal. And then cavity wax the whole thing, which is the plan. You can see where the rust starts on these seams, look. You see that there? Yeah. Did jet wash a little bit underneath here, but there's some areas that it's missed. You can see there, look, there's dirt build up along that bit. Some nice holes there. Get it with a torch, hang on a minute. Where are we? There we are. It appears that this is quite a bad area here, just in front of the rear wheels. Oof. It's not much room under here, I'm sorry about this, guys. Ugh. I'm not the thinnest guy in the world either. Yeah, that's a bit of a pain in the ass, but again, that's not so bad. I can weld that up. It's not an issue. You can see how it's gone, look, the underseal's all cracked and it's all just got progressively worse. Still got me cold, guys and girls, sorry about that. I'm working on trying to get rid of it. Forgot a screwdriver to poke with. I want to know how far down this seam this travels, and you can see here where it goes to. Someone's put a massive ladder chassis in the way, eh? What did they do that for? Big fuel tank on this thing. Prop shaft looks in pretty good condition. Can't see why it wouldn't be, to be fair. Chassis itself is in pretty good nick. There's just a bit of surface on there, which is nothing to write home about. Some rust over there, look. Yeah. Let's try and get out of here. There's a bit of rust on this outer edge here. Seams are looking a bit rough. So all the seams. Let's have a look underneath this part. I should be able to get under here pretty good. So much storage space under here. We was thinking of actually having cutting holes through the bottom of this floor and dropping some like boxes, steel boxes in and welding them in. And having them as like, you know, like on spare wheelbase on some cars in the boot or the trunk, wherever you come from. Doing the same thing with this, only I was going to turn it into storage with a great place to put the diesel heater and maybe spare batteries. Okay, this area looks pretty good actually. Yeah, much better. So the seams are still cracking, but you can see where they go. This bit of the floor is actually quite bad here. But again, it's all because of that. I just can't get the seams right on these vans for some reason. Ow. There's all polystyrene in there. Polystyrene, you know what I mean, the whatever it's called, stuff. Plates rusted off my differential. The breather for the diff, the axle. It just loops around and goes on top of the diff. That's more than what I've got in my car. Looks like there's some rust there flaking down. Chassis, it is a bit rusty there, but it's not so bad. Again, I'm pretty sure I can fix that. Oh, I can't believe the space I've got underneath this area of the van, it's lovely. I don't see daylight down there. I must admit I can't see a damn thing on what's coming out on the camera. Let me turn the screen around a bit, there we go. Yeah, there's daylight down there. Coming through. It's in these boxes here that worry me. It's quite rusty inside there. Look. They just don't paint them very good from the factory. Imagine if they undersealed this. Oh yeah, wax sold it. These drains here, look how they just block up. Crazy idea. Don't know why you'd make it open. I just put one drain in the bottom and leave it completely enclosed. Yeah. Right, I need to actually start doing some work on this, I think. Oops, I'm smacking the camera into everything. Oh. Yeah. Oh, the sills are actually in really good condition on this. Slight rusting on that edge there. Can't see it being bad though. It's like this one. This is that full of crap, look. All of the holes completely blocked up. That must be nothing but full of dirt. It's horrific, that. See, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put rubber bungs in all these holes so it can't fill it full of crap. And just have the drain hole at the bottom. Really naff idea, that. Yeah, there's a bit of rust there. Again, it's seams. Always the seams. It's always the seams that go. And they're the wires that run the rear lights. They actually run them underneath the van on this. It's quite an interesting way of doing it. Yeah, okay, that's enough documentation, I think. It's time to actually do some work.